Heck, I'm Bryan, 64 Imperial. Carson's reassembling the dash. Because good old upholstery guy was going to fix it. And then he decided he was mad and didn't want to do anything. Lovely. Anyway, so we're putting it back together. Alright, so we got a lot of stuff back together. Missing plenty of screws, so we will go pick some screws up tonight for tomorrow. Yep, watch your head on the thing, dude. What are you doing? Putting the new sill plate in? Because we replaced the B pillar panel. There you go. Was there. It's still a little rough, but better nonetheless. Carson had to put some new screws in the sill plate to get it to fit better. But hey, looking good.